Hi, this is Jerry Levinson with Carpets of Arizona, and in this video, we want to tell you what to expect when you're expecting your new flooring. Flooring installs can be complicated, so we have some easy steps to help things go smoothly on your big day. First, remove all knickknacks, lamps, and small breakable items. Next, inside your closets and pantries, you're going to want to clear those up to about waist height. And for the last step, unplug your electronics, such as your TV, stereos, cable, and computers. One thing to note, there are sometimes unforeseen challenges with flooring installations. If something does come up, our installers will notify us right away, and your sales representative will be in contact with you immediately to discuss a solution. So that's everything you need to know about your flooring project coming up, and know our goal is always to give you a 5-star experience.